Hey everyone, Rob Anderson here from Quart, and on today's workshop, we're going to be talking about our Wrangler JK systems, how we could scale them, how we could build them out. We're going to be diving into it, so let's get started. The way that we designed our Wrangler systems is that we build around a ground level stage 2 audio system. Let's go ahead and dive into that, show you what's included in that, and we can show you the options that we can add on to it. So here we have an overview picture of a Jeep Wrangler JK. And like I said, we're going to start with the foundation of a stage 2 audio system. So what's in a stage 2? Well, let's first start with the front speakers. We include a 6.5-inch convertible style speaker that we have set up into a component mode for this front stage. So we have a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, we have a crossover network, and then a 6.5-inch mid bass that drop directly into the OEM tweeter mounting locations and the mid bass mounting locations behind the dash. Also included in the stage 2 is all the wiring, everything to do the connection from the power level, and amp brackets and amplifiers. So we include 2 amplifiers that go underneath the front passenger side seat. Those amplifiers one is a 2-channel 400 watt model for the front stage, and we have an additional amplifier for the rear stage. Same amplifier, so a 400 watt 2-channel amplifier, so we could start building out a rear stage. So this is everything that's included in that stage 2 audio system. So a 6.5-inch front speaker setup, all the accessories and wiring connections and amp brackets, and then 2 amplifiers, one for the front, one for the rear setup. Now that we've established what a stage 2 audio system is and includes, let's talk about the rear stage. Now that we've established what a stage 2 audio system is, let's build out the rear speaker setup while we can utilize that second amplifier that's included in that stage 2 kit. So the first setup we have is an OEM Plus, an OEM replacement and upgrade kit, which is a 6.5-inch convertible style speaker, in this graphic shown as the coaxial version, but we could also set it up for the newer model years to take advantage of the component mode as well. This is an amazing upgrade, like I said, that directly drops into that OEM soundbar enclosure. But, all right, we know we want to take it to the next level. Jeep, we're about the culture. We know that we need to take it to the next level. So the next setup is a fully replacement soundbar itself. So this, we drop the OEM soundbar. We have a Quart produced and included enclosure for this setup, where we have 8-inch Nautic Premium coaxial speakers that are pre-mounted into this enclosure. This fully replaces that OEM soundbar, so it goes right up into the stock mounting locations, and it takes it to the next level. 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, 8-inch mid bass with a polypropylene cone. This system, this rear setup, it performs and takes that system to the next level while utilizing that additional amplifier that's in that base stage 2 audio kit. Now that we built out the stage 2 audio system, we've talked about the rear stage and the rear speaker setup. Well, we gotta caboose that. We gotta make this thing amazing. So let's talk subwoofer. So like we mentioned before, we have a nice rounded front and rear stage system here with the stage 2, and in this graphic, the rear upgraded sound bar, and this is utilizing those 2 amplifiers that are included in that stage 2 kit. Well, we got to add some low-end frequencies here. We got to add some serious bass. So we go with a tailgate mounted subwoofer. This gives you an additional 400 watt monoblock amplifier that bolts into the included bracket on that stage 2 audio system. It has all the power wires from that stage 2, so everything is literally plug and play waiting for you for this subwoofer setup. It includes a ported tuned subwoofer enclosure that's mounted on the rear tailgate of the Wrangler JK and a 12-inch subwoofer. This system performs, man. And it totally wraps up the full range sound of what would be a pretty amazing MB Quart Wrangler JK sound system with that stage 2, a upgraded rear sound bar, and this subwoofer setup. So that was a full range front, rear, and subwoofer stage build out for a Jeep Wrangler JK, utilizing that stage 2 and really building it as building off of it. And that's amazing. Everything's plug and play. Everything is wired and figured out and designed in a way that it makes it very easy to upgrade everything. But the nice thing about our system is like the scalability of it. You know, maybe we want to build out the system in stages and everything like that. Well, we have a nice a la carte system as well. Items like just running a front speaker upgrade kit, like the JS1 216. Maybe we just want to upgrade the front and rear setup. We have a system design a la carte for everyone and everyone, or that full Mac Daddy system as well. And that's everything that we can set up and build in this workshop covering the MB Quart Wrangler JK audio systems and audio product offerings. If you want to learn more about this product, please go to mbquart.com, follow us on all our socials, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.